Good morning, guys, and welcome to the Updike Family Homestead. I am a hot mess, but that's okay. It's super hot outside. It is time for me to restock our laundry detergent. So I thought I would do a quick video this morning just to kind of show you how we do it and help you save some money in the long run. Plus, it's all natural, so it's better. All right, so stay tuned. Here we go.
Hey y'all, we are the Updike family located in the mountains of Tennessee. We're excited to share our homesteading journey with all of you. From the farm to the table, we'll share the ins and outs, the ups and downs, from recipes and how-tos to our adventures of running a homestead. So come on in and join us. From our home to yours, welcome to the Updike Family Homestead.
Alright, so there's a few ingredients that you're going to need to make homemade laundry detergent. For one batch, you're going to need 3 bars of Fell's Naphtha soap, and I will post all of the links in the description below. So Fell's Naphtha soap, you'll need 3. I'm doubling this because I only like to make it, you know, every so often. So I have 6 bars of the Fell's Naphtha. I also have again, for one batch, you would need 1 box of Laundry Booster Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda. That's a mouthful. And you're also going to need a box of the 20 Mule Team Borax. Again, I'm doubling the recipe. So I have 2 boxes of borax, 2 boxes of the laundry powder soda, and then 6 bars of the Fell's Naphtha. So let's just go ahead and get started. It is a little bit time consuming when you are having to grate the soap, this one, the Fell's Naphtha. So if you don't want to spend the time to do that, you can purchase a box of Zote flakes, which is basically it's the same thing as the Fell's Naphtha, and they come in flake form. If you have sensitive skin, I would not recommend this one. I know that my husband had a little, you know, just it's skin irritation. So we stopped using that and I went back to using Fell's Naphtha. So, and that's gonna be the most time consuming part. I have my tote here, and this is where I keep all of this. It's labeled laundry detergent supplies. And I just pour everything into my tote. You definitely want to make sure that you're in a well-ventilated area. Like, you don't want to just stand over and breathe in anything. Even though this is all natural stuff, it's still not good to breathe the dust and stuff like that in. So you want to make sure that you're in an area that you have good ventilation. Okay, so that was the first box of the Fell's Naphtha, or borax, sorry. And then, and I'm sorry for the noise in the background, I have some homemade ice cream churning for dessert later today. So I've got that cooking. I shouldn't say cooking. It's already made. It's in the ice cream machine. Okay, so now I'm dumping in a box of the Laundry Booster. The other thing you don't want to do is you don't want to use anything that you're going to be using in your kitchen. So like, I specifically have a measuring cup here, and I just use it as a scoop, and a spoon that I keep with in my tote, like after I put this into my jar, because I don't want to reuse it like in the kitchen. And I'm just giving that a quick stir just to make sure that's all blended nicely. And now it's time for us to start grating our soap. All right, so now it's time for us to grate our Fell's Naphtha soap. And I just have a box grater here, and we're just going to put it into the powder and just start grating. All right, so now that I have made one full batch of the laundry detergent, I'm gonna go ahead and pour it into my glass container. I have this really big one that I got for pretty cheap. This is a 2-gallon glass container, and it just kind of, you know, I put a decal on here, 1 heaping scoop per load. This is my heaping scoop right here, and this is 2 tablespoons. So you just take your tote or whatever, if you have a bowl or, you know, whatever you made it in. I'm just gonna pour it right into my glass jar. Oop, made a mess, which is okay, because it's just soap. All right, now I'm gonna go on and make the second batch. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have now finished up all of the laundry detergent making type of stuff. And this is where this jar will sit on the wash machine or back there in the laundry room. And let's just say that you want to switch over to a natural laundry detergent, but you don't have time, or maybe you just don't want to make it yourself. We do have it available on our website. We have 2 different sizes. The small, which is a 2-quart, is $8, and the large, which is a gallon, is $12. And we can do that, of course, shipping it out to your house. So visit our website at www.updikefamilyhomestead.com. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you guys have a blessed day. Bye.